Hi guys, and you're welcome back to the channel. In case you're new here, my name is XOXO. As you guys can see here, I'm looking a mess, and by the title of the video, I'm going to be taking down my 5 weeks cornrow with you guys. So to take down my cornrows, I'll be making use of a little bit of warm water with conditioner. That's the mixture I have here. The reason for the spray is so that my hair is not so dry and to reduce much breakage while losing out my cornrows. Okay guys, first thing first, I went on with my mixture, the warm water and conditioner to saturate my hair before actually going on to detangle the hair. At this point, my hair is well moisturized, so I went on in to take down my cornrows. You have to be gentle while taking down your cornrows. I'm taking my time to loosen my hair. So losing this hair, I did mostly finger detangling. So guys, after losing the hair, I went on to put my hair in twist to create a section, cause it's better to wash your hair in sections. That's the amount of hair for the first detangling. I repeated the whole process throughout. Here I'm creating another section. Guys, feel free to saturate your hair as you go on, just so that your hair is well moisturized and it makes the whole detangling process easy. At this point guys, I'm done losing the hair, and that's the amount of hair that comes out from my detangling. After the detangling process, I went on ahead with my shampoo to wash my hair. It's advisable to wash your hair in sections and wash your scalp also. While washing your hair, focus on your scalp, and I'll be putting my hair back in twists because I'll be conditioning my hair also in sections. Okay, this is me after I'm done with the whole hair. I just went on in my scalp again just before the final rinsing. Now I'm using my water to rinse off the shampoo. This is it, I'm done with the shampoo. I went on to use my conditioner to condition my hair. I'm also going to be doing this in sections. So I'm going to condition all through. I went on to cover my hair after conditioning. Yeah, I left this for about 7 minutes. Hi, I'm back to rinse the conditioner off. That's basically all I have to do via the wash hair routine. At this point, guys, I was tempted to do a length check, so just checking out the length of my hair. This is the amount of hair which I lose washing my hair.
2,000 years later.
So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for sticking by, and at this moment give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you've not subscribed, and leave a comment below. And that's all about it, about my wash day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.